Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink. Today's topic is the Red House Blues by Jimi Hendrix, and I already apologize for my really bad singing. To demonstrate the whole song I need to sing, so rare occasion, and don't laugh, I just demonstrate, but it's gonna be about the guitar part here. Red Hot Baby under. There's where my baby stays. There's a red house under. There's where my baby stays. You're gonna wonder. Yeah, something like that. I'm really sorry for the bad singing, but yeah, singing is not really my thing. Good, let's get started. I checked the internet for several versions of this tune. There are not so many around as I thought. I checked the one of Gary Moore as well, and I found like two others. And so I also two types of Jimi Hendrix version. And so I came to the finding that basically only the intro is set up, has to be exact, and then it's just the blues. So we're going to check out the intro, how it really works. But even just the really beginning is always the same, and then it's more or less a little bit individual. So we're going to check out something easy for you, and then also check out what you can do with singing and playing. Yeah. So let's check it out. That's the blues in B flat, and we're starting here on this figure here. The 10th fret here, G string, E string. And we're playing triplets, triplets. So it's triplets are 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. These are triplets, 1, 2, 3. So switch between, so 4 times. 1. Move down 1 fret. Also 4 beats, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we end up here in the 12th fret, in the 6th fret. Here, a double stop on the B and E string. That's basically that part which is really fixed. Everybody plays it that way. And from then on, it's first thing is still similar. Then we switch to B flat minor pentatonics. This one here in the 6th fret. So 6, 9, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 9, 6, 9. We're starting with the bending here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are quarter notes. First we have triplets. It's a little bit tricky to count them through. And then just play it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I really checked out the several versions. And put it down to a simple version, which somehow is something between Jimi Hendrix and Gary Moore. So this one here. 1 full bar in triplets. Triplets, as I said, 3 per beat. 1, 2, 3, and we start here on the bending. Release. 6th fret. 1, 2, 3. Here bending. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And now with the blue note. 1, 2, 3. And then comes the band, and we're already past 4 bars, and the band comes here with E flat. With this figure here. 6th fret, 8th fret, pinky here also goes to 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go to B flat here. 6th fret, I'll just move down 1 string. Goes to F. Here in the 8th fret, in the 10th fret, pinky goes up to the 12th. 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 and 3. And the ending is like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2. And on 2 we come here with triples. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 tripled after the B2. 1, 2, ga, ga, ga. So that's the figure. When it goes, then the band just keeps on repeating the 12-bar blues form, and the blues form is as showed, but the first 4 bars we had intro now, when the band plays is with quick change, so the whole form is B flat, then quick change to E flat, 2 bars, B flat, E flat, B flat, F, B, E flat, B flat, 1, 2, and that's the whole form. Let's check how the rhythm guitar is played this way. So 1 with damping technique, so your hand is back here, back here, and on the 4 we release the hand 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4, and also the 4 and we also play without damping. If we change the chord, we make it an open, just hitting the open string. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. See, on the open strings, and then on the 1 we are back to, in this case, E flat. So 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so that's the rhythm guitar. So now we come to the next parts. Now this is like a typical blues, probably the way blues is played. We have some lyrics. There's a red house yonder, I think that's the lyrics. And to really get this done, wait, let me put a backing track here on the right spot that we can start with it. So it starts here. So when it starts, like there's a red house yonder. That's why my baby stays. So that's pretty essential. That's the way you make lyrics and then play. So you play, say lyrics. There's a sorry, I didn't really go for the pitch of this. I cannot go that high. There's a red house under here. Can go low. Let's do it low. There's a red house under. That's where my baby stays. So that's the way it is done with lyrics. And sorry, it's with lyrics because this song is basically worked with the lyrics, because after the intro, it's just a normal blues, so you can improvise anything you want. You can analyze Jimi Hendrix version, you can analyze Gary Moore version, you can analyze any version, but the trick is that you play any of your licks. So don't make it too hard, you can also make it easy, like there's a red house under, that's when baby stays. There's a red house under, that's where my baby stays. And then comes, let me say something, I don't know the lyrics here. I'm gonna go crazy now. And this is the way how you exactly point the rhythm of the lyrics and then add guitar. So if you have a singer, it's going to be like the singer makes that and then the guitar comes. If you're the singer and the guitar player, you do that this way. You can do anything. I would keep it simple. Something like this, or with the bending. And at the ending, probably you make your brass click like that one works here. Bending here in this 8th fret, 6. And that's basically how you do it. You can also make it even simpler, so just with the bending here in the 9th or the bending in the 8th. I'm gonna show. There's a red house baby under, that's where my baby stays. Or this bending. There's a red house baby under, there's where my baby stays. So I'm not really playing much. Yeah. Let me know, going crazy, babe. Then the lyrics repeat themselves, and then comes a solo, then you can add more stuff. But so basically it's the intro. I'm playing one form through after the intro till it's finished, then you start with the lyrics again, then comes solo. Then you can keep this going on as much as you like, so I'm gonna do the whole thing from the beginning. See how it works. Intro. Baby under, there where my baby stays. There's a red up baby, there where my baby stays. You keep me wondering, baby, where my baby stays. And so on. Yeah, folks, that was Red House Blues by Jimi Hendrix, and it's a basic normal 12-bar blues with some lyrics about Red House. We know what a red house is. I didn't know till 5 years ago, so what is those red lights there? They forgot the Christmas lights or something like that. I didn't really know that. Serious. Yeah, I know, now I know. Not because I've been there, because somebody told me. Yeah, so that was it basically. You can download this backing track and the tabs in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Follow me on Spotify, on Instagram, on Google. Write me a review on Google Maps, that would be very nice of you. And subscribe to my channel because more cool stuff is coming in the very near future.